I've been working with Dr. Ash for 10 years doing ceramics and cosmetic cases. I've worked with a lot of dentists, and I can say that the attention to detail that Dr. Ash has is like, he's a cut above like 95% of the dentists out there. So it came time to get my restorations done, which were some old failing restorations I had done. It's like Dr. Ash was the first dentist I thought of. Yeah, my story starts from when I was a young boy, a little boy, and we were just kids playing in a pool. My friend sitting on the surfboard let it go, and it just broke off my front teeth, my centrals, right? So it was all downhill after that. You get those crowns done when you're a kid, and they can't reduce the tooth enough to put a proper crown on there, so they were really bulky and ugly. They were just not very good crowns. And so when I became an adult, it was time to get them redone. And it was the same, this was back when they were doing metal ceramic. So they were PFMs, and they just didn't have any life to them. Again, had my teeth done. And this was probably about 15 years ago. And at this point, I was a ceramist, and I was doing smile design. This is what I call these cases, the smile design cases, where you do, it's going to be basically a makeover where you're doing all the upper front teeth so that you rejuvenate the smile. And so I had one of these cases done. So it got to the point where some of those restorations started failing because the material was an older material, so it wasn't as good as the stuff we have today. And so it just came time, and I asked Dr. Ash if he would consider working on me, and so he jumped right in and said, yeah, let's do it. And I was real happy to work with him on this case, because I knew that with his talent and skill and his eye and everything I know, that we were going to get together and do something really good. And I'm really happy with the result. It came out good. Yeah, I'd like to thank the whole team and Dr. Ash, because they're experts at what they do, and they use high quality materials, and he's going to make sure it's done right the first time. And I really appreciate that he's just very concerned with the quality.